Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, a comment down below will be appreciated. Let's get started with this money green makeup tutorial. Okay, started with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. We're gonna start with that green color right there, and with a blending brush, I'm going to place that all over the crease. I already did her foundation and eyebrows off camera, and for a nice guide for a cat eye later on, I'm going to place I placed some tape on the sides of her eyes. Okay, now with the Makeup Geek eyeshadow, I'm going to place this on the outer corner and inner corner of her eye for a nice halo look. And now I'm using a tiny blending brush to place that in the inner corner, and I'm also going to connect the shadow on the top. Okay, now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm only going to cut the middle part, and I'm going to blend the sides edges with my finger. Perfect. Now that it's nice and blended, I'm going to take that shimmery green color right there and place this all over the concealer. Now I'm just taking that little blending brush to blend the edges so I don't have any harsh lines. Then what I'm going to do is put some glitter glue in right in the middle and add some gold glitter.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Okay, now that I added some eyelashes, I'm going to focus on the bottom lash line now. I'm going to add a black eyeliner to the waterline, and I'm going to go in with the Makeup Geek shadow to smoke it out. And to further make it a little bit more green, I'm going to go in with the first crease color that we used on top. Also, FYI, everything will be listed on the description box below. Okay, now going in with the Saharan 2, another Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to take that light shade to highlight her inner corners. I'm also going to take a MAC eyeshadow to make it brighter. Okay, now we're going to use the middle and dark shade to bronze and contour. I also used the light shade on the top left corner to clean the contour. I just didn't show that in the video. Okay, now I'm going to use my favorite blush by MAC. This is called Modern Mandarin. I'm going to place that on the apples of the cheeks, brushing backwards.
Don't give a fuck about who in front of me. Drug to me 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me.
Alright, this is the finished look. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.
So my motherfucking face was beat by Edgar. He's gonna drop the link down below so you can follow his ass. And you can follow me too if you want. Maria Gomez, that's all. Not extra. I mean, I am, but anyways, thank you so much. I love it.